Good morning, students. Students, today we are going to discuss notice writing, means how to write a notice. Before that, we must know why do we write a notice. See, students, a notice is a very short piece of writing, as you all know, and you are doing it from class 5th, 6th onwards. Okay, it's a very short piece of writing, and usually it is considered formal in style. Okay, so notice is usually used by school, firm, companies, hotel, or you can say organizations. When there is an event or celebration, the organization use it to announce that particular event, celebration, or any particular occasion. So, first we must know, when we write a notice, what is our purpose for writing a notice? And after that, we shall discuss some steps which are to be followed while we are going to write a notice. Before starting writing notice, the list of value points that must be with us, that this is the particular event or the occasion or celebration, and these are the points which are to be discussed or which are to be informed. See, it's a very simple medium to impart instructions, to make appeals, or to extend invitations. Right. So now we shall discuss the steps how to write a notice. See, students, first of all you must know that notice will be inside the box. Okay, you have to make a box, and in that box we shall discuss the layout also, don't worry. We are to make a box, and then remember, as I told you, that it's a formal writing. Okay, so everything should be centered, or the things which will come on the left hand side or which will come on the right hand side, we must be aware of that. Fine. So box should be there, notice will come in box. Second point, name of the organization. Name of the organization must be on the top. Then comes date. Remember, students, you are to write date in this format only, as it is mentioned 29th April 20. Okay, means the date must be in number or digits, you can say. Then month should be in letter, and again year must be in digits. You are not to underline the date. Here I have just underlined it to highlight it. Remember, you will not underline the date in notice box. Next comes word notice, that you are to write in center. Date you are to write on the left hand side of the box. Okay, on the left hand side of your page. And notice word must be in the center, and it should be capital. It should be in capital. The next, heading, topic, heading, title, whatever you say, subject, but we call it heading. Again, it should be in center. Then comes your content. What include in your content? Your content includes your objective, purpose, any event is there. Okay, if any occasion, event, celebration is there, then the way you invite people, date, time, venue, everything you are to include in your content. So finally comes on the left hand side your signature, the person who is going to issue that notice, signature. Then name and designation. name and designation should be in bracket. Okay, whose name and designation? Name and designation of the person issuing notice. Designation should be in bracket, again I am telling, right? And it should be in block letters, it should be in capital, remember. Okay, and when we write notice, remember, usually we follow present tense and future time references. That you are to keep in your mind. Now coming to the layout of the notice. See dear students, the layout of the notice. As I told you that it should be in a box. So the box is there, right? On the top it is given name of the organization, institution, office issuing the notice in capitals. Then comes the date is to be written here. See the left hand side, right? Then the word notice, it should be in center. Again heading or subject, it should be in center, right? Then comes your content. Then comes your content. In content, as I told you, you are to mention about the name of the event, any activity to be undertaken, right? What is the purpose of that notice? Okay, then you are to mention date, time, duration, place, venue, whatever you say, and who is to attend. So these specific instruction, and if you have any other specific instruction, that is to be mentioned. And then on the left hand side, first comes signature, then comes name, and then comes designation. Okay, and at last you will complete your box. So dear student, first again I am telling you that you must remember that notice is the part of your syllabus. It carries 4 marks. 1 mark for your format, 1 mark for your 2 marks for your content, sorry, and then 1 mark for your accuracy, spelling errors and all. Okay, so you are not allowed to exceed the word limit. Anyhow you are to complete your notice within 50 words. Okay, now I'm going to send you one example and then one notice you will write by your own. So this is all for today. Thank you. Have a good day.